What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys how to convert MOV file into MP4 file. So stay tuned. Now you guys might be wondering what's the difference between MOV file and MP4 file. Why do I need to convert them? Now MOV file was created by Apple. So if you're using your cell phone or your iPad and record some form of video on your device, such as Apple device, the file format that Apple record those video in is MOV. So once you have recorded those video files, whether on your iPad or your cell phone, and transfer them to the computer, the file format that they are in is MOV, which is created by Apple. So the file format which a video file is recorded on an Apple device is playback in MOV file. So MOV file is basically the same as MP4 file, which is of the image and the audio. But sometimes with the MOV file it can be tricky because not every device can read the MOV files. So guys, on the other hand, the MP4 file can be read on every and any device. It is standard playback for video files and across all devices. So in this video, that's why I'm going to show you guys how to convert MOV file into MP4 file. Now a quick important thing to also note that MOV file can be playback on Windows device and also on Mac. But if you are transferring your file like to an older TV or older devices, probably Android and other different type of Android devices, now this file format cannot be playback on most media player. So I'm going to show you guys how to convert the MOV file to MP4 file. So I'm going to go to my computer right now and show you guys how to do that. So what you're going to do now guys is to go on your web browser and you're going to search for VideoProc, software that I'm going to use for this process. Now I have already go on VideoProc site right here, so you can click the link in the description guys if you want to download this software. Now the process download this is very easy. So if you want to download it, right guys, you're gonna click on free download right here, whether you're using a Mac computer or a Windows computer. So I'm gonna click on download. Now once this is download guys, what you're going to do right there, click on open when it's done. Now this may take a few minutes to install. Now once this has been installed guys, what you want to do is to open the program. Now this may take some time depending on your speed of your internet to download. Now shout out to DJRT for sponsoring these videos. Now DJRT has been a proud sponsor on my channel, so shout out to them guys, and I appreciate the work they have been doing in terms of these type of videos, which is basically benefit for you guys to convert these type of video file. Now once the program has been installed, what you want to do is to click on this right here. Then you're going to install this software. So what I'm going to do right now is to open. So you can go ahead and install it guys. I'm not going to install this because this is already on my computer. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and now the DJRT VideoProc is now open. Now guys, this is an example of a MOV file. This is a video file that I have been shoot on my cell phone, which is an Apple phone. So I'm going to show you guys the file type of this file right here. So guys, this is basically a video where I did on my phone, record on my phone, which this file right here is in MOV file. And this is a video that I did on my channel of how to connect a keyboard to your Android device. So I'm going to look at the properties and show you guys that this file is an MOV file. So I'm going to properties. So what I'm going to do is right click and go to properties. And see guys, the file type of this right here is a MOV file. So I'm going to convert this MOV file to MP4 file. Now I can also play this file because MOV file, as I mentioned earlier on, are videos and image. Right. Now what I'm going to use for this process now is my software. So I'm going to open up VideoProc. Now once I have opened up VideoProc, I'm going to go to videos. Then I'm going to locate right here my videos. I can also drag and drop my file inside. So since I have my file open already, I will just drag and drop it right here. Drop it right over here. Minimize this. And yes guys, that's my file right here inside of VideoProc. I'm going to convert this file right here guys into MP4. So as you guys can see, I have clicked on MP4 right here. Now what I'm going to do for this process is I'm going to choose the output folder that I want this file to save in. Now guys, I'm going to choose the output location that I want this file to save right here. So I'm going to browse and I'm going to go to my desktop. Then I'm going to go to MOV file. That's where I want the selected folder to my file to be saved. Right, so I'm going to click on run right now. And now it is being processed, which is the hardware component that this is using is my CPU. Now this may take a couple seconds to complete. And as you guys can see up here, the current title of this video right here is Mouse and Keyboard to Android. As you can see, .mov, and over here, Mouse and Keyboard to Android .mp4. So guys, now the file has been converted, and I can also look at the properties again to see which of these is MP4 file. There's a drastic decrease in the file size when I convert it to MP4. So as you can see, this is original file, which is the MOV file right there, which is 132 megabytes. And we look at the MP4 file now. You realize that the MP4 shrink all of these file size right here. So you realize that now. I'm going to play it now to show you guys. And if you look at each of these video quality, the quality is such the same. So the MP4 guys reduce the file size and also keep the original quality of your videos, which basically important for when you want to carry around large amount of files. You can convert all your files. So guys, if this video was helpful, please remember to subscribe to this channel. And yes guys, I also did a video on how to convert MP4 into MP3 file. So if this video was helpful, please remember to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel for more tech tips like this. As always, thanks for watching guys, and I see you in my next video. As always, peace out.